Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm working again with the Wet n Wild Wild Heart eyeshadow palette, and I done this beautiful look inspired by our turning leaves, so fall leaves. And this is look number 15, if you can believe that. Originally it was like gonna be 10 looks, and then I thought, why stop there? It's gonna be 15 looks, and I'm just gonna continue on with this palette. It's awesome, it's amazing, you can find it at Walmart. And we're using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus eyeshadow primer and the Hourglass Bell powder to catch fallout. And in the Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette, we're gonna be taking the peach shade in the first row. And I love this shade. It actually applies matte, but upon close inspection in the pan, it has like these red pink shimmer glitters throughout it. And maybe if I use the sticky base, we'd see them on the eye as well. But basically I'm just going to take a fluffy brush. I'm windshield wipering that in the crease messily. And then I'm going to be picking up from the fourth row that hot pink matte shadow. Now I'm going to be using that on, or applying that with the same fluffy brush that I use in the crease, and I'm going to go over this a few different times. This eyeshadow is pigmented, and this eyeshadow also has a bit of a tendency to stain. Not terrible when it's like kind of overlapping shadows like it is here. But on its own, I learned the first time I used this that it does stain a bit, so beware of that. But this matte shade does need some building up, and I take that and I just apply it in the outer corner, and then I go and I blend it in with the peach shade a little bit in the outer corner as well. Second row, I'm using this beautiful shimmery gold shade. It's borderline kind of bronzy as well, and I'm applying that on the eyeshadow brush, and this is a dual-ended shadow and blending brush from Profusion, and it came with one of their palettes, I believe. And I'm just going to spritz my brush with the e.l.f. Active Mist to foil that shadow. And these eyeshadows, fun fact, can be used wet or dry according to the Wet n Wild website, so that's neat. And so you could just pick it up, you have a wet brush, and dip it into the shades. So for $15, that's definitely not a it's not a bad price for a palette that you can do wet or dry, which is awesome. And so now you're just going to see me apply that to the lid, and I'm going to go back and add hot pink shade in the outer corner, and I'm going to blend, 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 blend. I see I added more peach as well. And I'm using this vanilla shade from the palette, first row. It's matte, and I'm using that for my brow bone highlight. This is a very beautiful highlight. There is a matte white and this matte vanilla shade, which I find very perfect for highlighting the brow. And look how it helps blend out the crease shades there. And I'm wiping away fallout, and then I use this hard candy brown metallic liner to do just a little thin line of eyeliner today. And I just thought it would look pretty in the you know, fall leaf kind of theme. This is a Wet n Wild breakup eyeliner, and I'm just gonna tightline with that. And this is the LaColors gel eyeliner in Citrus, which I love. These eyeliners are like $2 at Walmart, $2 at your Dollar General. They're amazing. Don't sleep on them. Second row, I'm using this like reddish orange or burnt orange kind of shade on my lower lash line, picking up some more peach to blend that into. I know you can probably hear that noise in the background, but that is Masha the bear. It's Sunday morning and it's the weekend, and you know, it is what it is. Still need to film my voiceover, and while there's noise going on in the back. Anyways, so e.l.f. Active Spray in this LaColors Highlighting Trio and Wild Child, and I'm taking that duochrome peach one and using the LaColors Biggie Lash to do a couple coats of mascara. For lips, I'm using the Maybelline Colorsenstaional lip liner and the Shimmery Nude liquid lipstick matte. This is my favorite lip combination right now, so we've been seeing a lot in videos. But that's the finished look. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Very beautiful, easy fall look in my opinion. I hope you guys will try it out for yourselves. Found the video helpful. And stay tuned for more videos like these using the Wet n Wild Wild Heart eyeshadow palette. Don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional links. There's a product list and what's on my nails in the description box below. Thank you guys so very much for watching.